Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on UltraTech Cement. Our analyst retains a buy rating on UltraTech Cement with a revised price target of Rs 13,000, considering its long-term growth potential led by structural demand drivers. The company makes financial investment in India Cement, acquiring 23% stake for Rs 1885 crore, valuing India Cement at USD 90 per ton. Further, stake acquisition could not be ruled out at this stage. The acquisition of Kesoram's asset and potential addition of India Cement asset would help increase its southern region share in overall domestic capacity and industry capacity. It may achieve 200 MTPA a year earlier in FY26. Industry consolidation propelled by two leading groups may defer greenfield addition plans, impacting demand supply positively. It may also lead to better pricing discipline going ahead. Next, we have an update on Biocon. After integration of Viatris, the company is seeing a continuous increase in market share across all products. Going forward, we believe there are many green shoots such as lowering of debt to reduce finance cost, increase market share of biosimilars post successful integration of Viatris business, and pickup in generic API segment driven by complex launches in the peptide space. GLP-1 opportunity from FY26 and collaboration with Ares Life Science to penetrate its branded formulation business into the domestic market. Hence, we maintain a buy rating on the stock. We value Biocon on a SOTP basis to arrive at a price target of Rs 400 per share.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.